Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm shorting the shit out of Bitcoin. I know it's weird because yesterday I just made a video saying don't short Bitcoin. I think it's going to go to 24K, 25K, and all of a sudden here I am the next day, see my messages to the Telegram. I'm telling everyone, dump coming, dump this shit, short Bitcoin, exclamation, stop loss 23,402, which is right here. So it's just weird, right? Because yesterday you see me all freaking bullish. I'm talking about how we're going to go to 24K. Next day I'm shorting it. This is the life of a trader is, we get new information, we see new things in the charts, and we have to change our opinion sometimes if it's the right thing to do. And so yesterday I was extremely bullish. Today I'm back on the bear side. Why? Let me show you why. Okay, so there are a lot of bearish signs that we cannot ignore here. All right, if you ignore them, then you're just being completely biased, right? This is what I love about charts is it's a very objective thing. So for example, we have bearish divergence, right? We got a bearish MACD coming on Bitcoin, all right there. We got a massive reversal wick right here at 23.6, all right? So look, bear MACD, bear reversal wick, bear divergence, and on top of that, okay, let's look at something else that's incredibly important, okay? USDT dominance, all right, is setting up in a massive bullish divergence right below support, okay? So this is what we like to call a bear trap, okay? Right there. It goes slightly below this low and then actually bottoms right there with bullish divergence. So USDT dominance is about to spike out actually, I believe. And if USDT dominance spikes out, guess what that means? People are going into stables, people are going into Tether, which means the market is always dropping whenever Tether is going, the Tether dominance is going higher, right? Dollar has massive bullish divergence down here at this level. If you zoom out to an 8-hour, for example, as we're going lower, bam, dollar's getting stronger, bam. So you have all these divergences which point to the dollar breaking out, USDT dominance going higher, and in that case, Bitcoin's going to have no choice but to go lower, all right? The game has completely changed. Yesterday, I had 5 reasons to be bullish and 3 reasons to be bearish. Well, today it's actually different. Today I have, 2 reasons to be bullish and 5 reasons to be bearish. So I'm much more confident on the bear side now, actually. And, if dollar's going to break out here, okay, I don't really believe in these wedge patterns or whatever the hell you guys call them. But, it's not going to be crazy to see the dollar finally break out from support here. And if that happens, guys, you know what's happening to Bitcoin. It's got to drop, okay? So I think if Bitcoin breaks below right here, if it breaks below 22.8, we'll be looking good. We'll be looking good for a drop lower here. Bam, bam, bam. So we just entered in. I told everyone this morning, short Bitcoin. And yesterday I was telling everyone we were long, we took our profits, and I told everyone the conflicting signs with being bullish right now. And I said, like, right here, there's going to be opportunities in the future where you have 8 reasons to be bullish and 0 to be bearish, right? Those are the days we want to really play bullish. But when it's 5 to 3 and reasons to be bullish versus 3 major reasons to be bearish, you don't need to play aggressively long on that. So we wake up today, I notice what I see in the charts, and fuck, we are short the hell out of this. So the signs change, the divergences change, the correlations, all these things tie together. And if you don't know how to read that, you're going to stay on the wrong side at the wrong time. You're going to hold your bags too late, too soon. You're just going to be off. You've got to stay on point with the market. You've got to read everything. You've got to consider what's in front of you. And that's what reading charts helps you with, is stay objective. Know your reasons. Oh, I have 8 reasons to be bearish and 1 reason to be bullish. Oh, today I have 5 reasons to be bearish and 1 reason to be bullish, right? It helps you so much to be able to quantify your reasoning for bull and bear. And whenever you have a day where you have 8 reasons to be bearish and 0 to be bullish, then you know it's a day to be short. If you have 10 reasons to be bullish and 0 to be bearish, you know it's a day to be aggressively long. So this is what reading charts helps you with, and that's how we're doing it today. So short. If we break below 22.8, I think we're going to break down here on Bitcoin. Alright guys, so this is looking really good here. Alright. If we drop down to 22,000, we should make around $21,000, which is going to be a Bitcoin. which is nice. So, think about it. We went up now 43%. I don't think it's going to be that crazy to see a pullback of 1,000 points. And that's exactly what I expect to happen. I expect us to, at the very least, get down to 22,300. So, boom, like this. Okay? So it's funny because yesterday we were longing it, and we were going like this. And today we're shorting it, bam, like that. All right? So get ready for an awesome trade. So once again, it's funny because 21 hours ago I'm saying do not short, the market's not done pumping. But guess what? I woke up this morning, I saw what was in front of me in the charts, and because I understand how to read charts, I can be objective. And so yesterday we were looking bullish, today we were looking bearish. And so what am I going to do? Am I going to stay bullish? Am I going to stay foolish? Fuck no, right? I'm going to play the side that's going to make me the money, that's going to make our members the money. Everyone who's in the alerts is now making money on this trade. And so it's super important that if you're not in the alerts, at least follow me on Twitter, because I made sure to let you know that I was actually short Bitcoin because, it sucks for me to make a video yesterday. I'm all bullish, and then today I flip bearish again. Just because, guys, at the end of the day, am I here to lose money or am I here to make money, right? If I was here to lose money, my name would be Capo of Crypto. I mean, look at this guy. He's been shorting the market since 16K, okay? Good morning. The market's bouncing a little bit more than expected. Now is the bear scenario invalidated? And the guy just stays a perma bear, and he's been getting slaughtered since we called the bottom. I mean, let's just go and look at these charts, and you'll see he's been shorting the market. Look at this. This guy said zoom out. Ask yourself, why am I buying here? Is it because of FOMO? Bro, it was at 17K, and he's calling for 12K right there, right? So do you want to be a perma bear and lose money? Then please, follow these accounts, stay foolish, stay an idiot, and just keep shorting the market at 16K, 17K, say there's no changes once you pump up to 18K, and then just keep shorting it. Lose your money all the way up because you don't know how to read charts. You're a stubborn piece of shit with a stubborn piece of bias. And you know what? While me and everyone in the alerts has been making money on this pump, we made over $150,000 on this pump. You just lose $150,000 on this pump. And then, look, if that's your style, by all means, go for it, okay? Here, my style is making money, my style is being right, and if that means that, hey, yesterday I was bullish, and today I literally, if I want to make money, if I want to be right, then the way I do that is I get on the right side. I get on the side that's going to pay me and everyone money. So if you got anything negative to say about that, then stick to Capo of Crypto, all right? And let me know how that goes. This guy has been one of the greatest sacrifices of the entire bear market, and he is being a beautiful lesson for you to show you what's going to happen to you if you don't take the crash trading charts course. You're going to end up like this guy, shorting it while I'm long of it. And then this guy's probably buying the fucking top right now while we're shorting it. Poor guy, dude. So if you want to end up like Capo Crypto, please don't take the crash trading charts course. Don't forget, guys, the alerts are completely free, okay? But obviously, if you understand how I view charts and what I see, and it's going to give you way more confidence in the alerts. Some people, they have zero clue what they're doing, so they'll join the alerts for free, but really they don't see what they should be seeing, and so really you're just following blindly. And when you're following blindly, at least this is for myself, okay, I cannot follow people blindly because it makes me feel very uncomfortable. It makes me feel nervous if I don't have pure confidence in what I'm doing. So it's just my experience. I cannot copy people, because I don't have the same confidence level unless I see it for myself, So that's why, in my opinion, people who take the crash trading charts course are way more successful in the alerts because you have more confidence and you see what I see, and so we're on the same page. If we're not on the same page, guess what? I'm going to be bearish one day, and then you're going to be looking on Twitter and Capo or someone's going to be bullish or something. They're going to be on the other side, and then you're going to be like, oh my god, Alex is bearish and Capo is bullish. What am I going to do? Oh, but then that's where it comes down to you, right? Not Capo, not me, not someone else. It comes down to what do you see in the charts? Are you confident in what you see in the charts? That's why it's so important to have your own solid understanding of reading the charts, and that's why, in my opinion, if you obviously take the crash trading charts course and you trade with me, like my alerts, then it just puts us on the same page and we trade way better together. So That's just my experience. I'm letting you know that in advance. Of course, the alerts are completely free. You don't need to take the crash train charts. It would help you a ton if you're going to be trading with me for completely free. So guys, awesome trade today. Congrats to Alerts members. We made over $20,000 yesterday on the long side, and today we're up 5,000 and counting on the short side. So we play both ways. We're just here to make the money, and that's it, guys. We're not here to be stubborn. You guys a short little analysis. We break 22.4, right? Okay. When I see happening, we most likely should break 22.4 in Bitcoin to the downside, right? And so what I'm going to be watching out for is this trend line right here, right? So let's say USDT dominance pumps up to 7.13%. Okay, this is where I'll be looking to long the market again, guys. These are like cool little tricks I'm showing you that a lot of people don't know. Right, so what I want to see, if I'm going to re-enter on the bull side for the market, I want to see USDT dominance bounce up to resistance, and then I want to start looking for support in Bitcoin. Okay, so this is cool stuff, guys. Like, it's just like there's multiple layers to this game of like seeing the charts, and so this is just one layer in front of you is right here, right? Is waiting for USDT dominance to hit resistance. As that's hitting resistance, we want to find support in crypto, right? So whether that's Bitcoin or an altcoin or something, right? And so this is where we would look to long the market, right? And so if you understand that, hey, USDT dominance bounces up to here and then it starts falling back down. Well, if USDT dominance starts falling back down, do you know what that means for crypto? That means crypto is going to be fucking pumping. But yeah, that makes sense, right? You bounce and then you dump off in USDT dominance, which means crypto is going to be pumping. So that's why, right, we have a short-term pullback in Bitcoin because USDT dominance is going higher, but then USDT dominance gets rejected, drops further, and that means Bitcoin pulls back and pumps further, right? So this is what I'm watching out for. Now, of course, if USDT dominance breaks that resistance and heads higher, then that means Bitcoin is just going to keep breaking down. But this is the next point to be looking for a major long position in Bitcoin if the 7.12% resistance area holds in USDT dominance. Of course, this is just one layer of the puzzle, one piece of the puzzle. There's so many factors you need to consider when entering into a trade, and that's why I'm constantly looking for 5 to 8 to 10 reasons why I'm bearish, or 5 to 8 to 10 reasons why I'm bullish. Because the more reasons I have for a particular side, the more confident and more high probability it's going to be that I'm going to be right and win that trade. You know, if you have one reason to enter a trade, it's a low probability you're going to win. If you have 10, very high probability you're going to win. So that's kind of what my whole system is based on, is, you know, reading the charts, counting how many reasons are there on each side. So if I see there's 8 reasons to be bullish and 2 reasons to be bearish, I know I can be confidently bullish, right? But really, and what I really want to do, ideally, in a perfect world, is wait for the days where I have 8 reasons to be bullish, 0 reasons to be bearish. Or 8 reasons to be bearish and 0 reasons to be bullish. These are the days I want to play aggressive and confidently, and that's the days you make the easiest money, is when it's purely leaning towards one side and you are so confident. So guys, I will keep you updated. I really think that relonging Bitcoin could be a massive opportunity. Now, look, it's possible it free falls from here, but I mean, there's a very good chance that it's going to continue pumping after a pullback here, right? I mean, once again, we went up 40%. You know, a small pullback is not anything crazy. It doesn't mean that after we pull back a little, we can't continue pumping, right? So this could be another one of the biggest trades of the year, okay, if we nail the dip buy in Bitcoin. Of course, there's possible that there is no dip buy and it just free falls from there, but I'm thinking, as of now at least, it seems unlikely that we're just going to free fall back down from here. I think momentum is higher overall, and pullbacks are going to be there. But overall, you want to be buying the pullbacks. You want to be buying the dips for now, okay? So that's my plan. I'm short for now, making over 5,000 with our members. And then, obviously, I'm going to be looking for a major bullish opportunity on the dip that could pay us a lot of freaking money. So I don't want you to miss that trade. And I don't want you to get caught, you know, perma-shorting with everyone on Twitter who gets their face ripped off when we melt up here. So make sure you're following me on Twitter, and make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. I'll do my best to keep you up to date. Of course, if you're in the alerts, you're going to be getting these messages in live, real time. If you want to join that, it's the first link down below this video. It's completely free, so I'll see you in there, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned, and I hope this all makes sense to you. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.